In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset a Webflow template in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned designer or a beginner in web development, there may be times when you want to start fresh with a template. Perhaps you've made changes you're not quite satisfied with, or maybe you just want to return to the original design. Whatever your reason, resetting your template is a straightforward process, and I'll guide you through it step by step. First, let's begin by navigating to Webflow. Open your preferred web browser and in the search bar, type Webflow. Once you see the official Webflow website in the search results, click on it. There should be an option to either log in or sign up, depending on whether you already have an account. If you don't have an account, don't worry. Webflow offers a simple sign-up process that will have you up and running in no time. After successfully logging in or completing the sign-up process, you will find yourself in the Webflow workspace. Here, you'll have access to all your projects. Take a moment to look around and locate the specific website you want to reset. Click on the site to select it. Once you've selected your website, it's time to move on to the next step. Now direct your attention to the ellipsis icon associated with your chosen website, often represented by 3 small dots. Hover over this icon and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you'll want to choose Site Settings. This section holds various configuration options for your website. One of the key features Webflow offers is its automatic backup system. Webflow periodically saves versions of your site, allowing you to restore it to a previous state if necessary. Within the site settings, look for the Backups tab. Click on this tab and you will see a list of all previously saved versions of your site. To reset your template to its original form, scroll through these backups and find the version that corresponds to your original template. Click on it to restore. Another helpful feature is Webflow's undo function. If you haven't closed the site since making modifications you'd like to undo, you can simply press Ctrl or Command and Z on your keyboard. This will revert any recent changes you've made. This can be a quick fix if you're only looking to reverse a few recent edits. By following these straightforward steps, you can effortlessly reset your Webflow template and start anew. This process ensures that you can experiment freely, knowing you can always return to your starting point with ease. Remember, Webflow's tools are designed to enhance your creative process, providing flexibility and control over your project. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your design endeavors.